What's up, guys? This is Steve from Santec IT Solutions. This is part 7 of my Bare Bones Kits video series. In this video, I'll be installing the CPU. This motherboard has the LGA 1150 socket. LGA stands for Land Grid Array, and it means that the pins are located on the socket rather than on the processor chip itself. This socket is a ZIF socket, stands for Zero Insertion Force. This means you won't actually have to press the CPU down into the socket. So let's get started with installation. The first step is to open up the cover. You do that by simply pulling back this arm. Now we can install our chip. When installing a chip, always make sure to hold it from the sides. Never hold it from the back or from the top. As you can see here, there's 2 notches and there's an arrow in the corner. This is to help guide the chip into the socket. It can only fit one way. All you have to do is simply lay the CPU down right onto the socket like that. That's it. Now you just put the cover back on very gently and slowly. And there you have it. It's done. Now I just have to install the heatsink and fan. The fan is very easy to install. You don't even need a screwdriver. You simply just lay the fan down over the CPU very gently and twist these knobs into place until it's locked in. Okay, now all I have to do is plug in the fan power supply. Okay, there you have it. Job done. Thanks for watching my videos, guys, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.